Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas after 2020, what we have seen, a swing has formed. Okay, and there is a continuous upside because we have seen there is a continuous downfall before 2022 because the pandemic was there. The situation of natural gas that it has made already at a low of around 1.5 to 4. Okay, and this level we have not seen yet come. Okay, and if you look at this for 2020, what we have seen after that, there is a continuous upside we have seen, and this pattern is being formed. Okay, what this pattern says that whenever it hits its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall comes. Okay, and this sharp fall, what you can see, is from 10 to 20 to 50 to even 100% fall we have seen. Okay, this is the first thing that you have to understand. Second thing, important thing that you have to note, that there is a gap still pending. Okay, and this gap is from $4.153 to a level of $4.4. Keep that in mind that this is the level. If the price sustain this level, chances of touching 4.4 is on a higher side. Keep a note of that. Okay, second thing. The third thing is that it has already at a strong support 2.32. So chances can be high if this level sustain, we can see it can move further upside. As we have seen, a swing is already formed at this particular level, and this was the range where the price of natural gas was moving in between $2 and $3. Okay, and this level has sustained since January, last week of Jan till now. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high, yes, it can sustain and it can go towards its next resistance, that is at a level of $2.493. Okay, and suppose if the price move up that level, it can cross that particular zone, a level of $2.493, that is a weak resistance. So chances are very high it can move and cross a level of 2.664. This 2.664 is already a resistance which is weak resistance. So chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of 2.743, which is already again a resistance which is already a weak resistance. So chances of touching $2.823 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 3.041. $3.041 is half that particular zone. So once it sustain above this level, chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $3.347 to a level of $3.550. Suppose if the price sustain above that level, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $3.9, and then it can touch a level of 4.1. Okay, and once the price sustain 4.1, chances of touching and filling this particular gap is there, and then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, but if the price sustain this level, okay, then we can see it can go further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, and then if it moves below this particular zone or form a swing at this particular level, then we can see it can move further down, because overall trend is downside as you can see, but it is quite volatile. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular resistance, as of now it is acting as a resistance. So if that level move further down, then we can see it can go towards its next resistance of $2.265, and if that level is moved further down, then probability of touching a level of 2.085 is there. 2.085 is a weak support, so chances can be high it can cross a level of $2.058 and can go further down, because $2.058 is a weak support. So chances are high it can move further down towards a level of $2.013 to a level of $1.928. Suppose if the price fall below $1.928, chances are high it can go further low towards a level of $1.912 to a level of 1.803. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below $1.083, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1.789, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of $1.638. Okay, and if the price fall below $1.683, then we can see it can go further low, and a probability of going towards 1.579 is there, and then this is a weak support, so chances of going further low is there, and then we can see it can go further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, and you have to understand something, why most of the traders lose money. They do not follow proper psychology, as well as they take full risk of their capital. Okay, they do not strategize what I teach in my workshop, I'll tell you some of the thing is there. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, now suppose if you trade, maximum trade you can take per trade is 10,000, 1,000 to 1,500. Take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. Okay, suppose if you took a trade, maximum risk will be $100 per trade. So if you took 5 trades also, maximum risk will be $500, that is 100 per trade. If you lose suppose all 5 trades, maximum loss will be $500. So relax for the day if you lose all 5 trades. Then if you trade the next day, you will focus more on profit. Okay, this is what it make you a good trader, as well as you will know what is your fault and what you cannot repeat things. Okay, so this is how I teach how to overcome all these things. And if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.